Here at Bliss Point we have an interesting experiment. These two oak trees here were cut down, they were chopped off, and what's interesting is they're such a strong tree they don't die, so they coppice, they put out little feelers kind of things, little branches that go up, tiny new trunks. You can chop one off at the bottom and often it'll do that, and then you can harvest poles off of it. Anyway, in this case that's not what we're doing here. We chopped these down to make a little more light in this spot next to this cabana, right? We rarely ever cut the oaks, but we used it as an experiment, which is kind of cool. We drilled these holes here. You can see these holes everywhere. And we put in shiitake spores. We infected it with shiitakes. Some of the shiitakes came out, so that part we definitely know worked. They lived briefly. But the tree is not as dead as it's alive, so it may have killed off the mushrooms. We're not sure. We'll find out this rainy season. This is the third year of this experiment, and it's very possible that there'll be no mushrooms at all. What's interesting is this tree has produced a bunch of small branches, and this one's produced one big one. So it's kind of a strange form for these two stump things. And we'll keep watching for the mushrooms. The rains are back. It's possible we could keep the tree in a state of kind of dying and kind of living, that the fungus would take part of the life of the tree. I don't know if that's possible. Seems like a very delicate balance to strike, but something to try. So this is 3 years on this experiment. Doesn't even have a name. The stump mushroom cool experiment thing or something. Kind of long name. Here at Bliss Point.